these couple of criminals. They. Bad cat. Come on. Psst. Where's your brother? Do you like out there? He doesn't like it. This fella here. Yeah. Look at this fucking cat. What are you doing? Hey, there's my fishing rod. Get in there. You coming in then? Take him with you.
You got to Manchester?
Hmm.
Good luck.
No, Bubs. She's been accepted into the college, so...
You'll be alright over there.
Yeah, man. Just quiet.
Right.
Just quiet.
No, thanks for helping us out.
Yeah.
Richard.
Well, that's nothing better than seeing people moving forward, to be honest with you.
Yeah, you'll be alright over Manchester.
So when do you move? 2 weeks?
2 weeks. No, we're going over 2 weeks to see, like, look at the flats
right,
and
just
stuff.
to look.
And then she starts in the middle of August, so that's there.
Where are you going
I'm not going to get a job here for another fucking year, and it'll be another year, and then it'll be another year, and then before I know it,
So catch
we'll be fucking useless, there'll be no good to anyone.
Cats?
They're coming with us.
It's a catch 22 over here.
That's
You're
why
just
we're
doing your ass.
It's not what you know or who you know, and then you're in work, and my problem is, it's just the vicious circle. They say, have you got a driving licence? No, I don't want to know you then. And they give it to some 17-year-old kid, and they will.
And it'll probably be only in the job 2 weeks and leave.
Well,
You're just up and down all the time here.
Yeah.
Up and down. 1 minute you're alright, the next minute you're fucking on your ass.
don't be surprised if you see me jumping in that black bag and we get out the other end and we're BAH! Good luck to the players anyway, I mean that, right?
Richard,
I'll see you beforehand anyway, yeah, good luck.
Cheers, Richard. Thanks
Yeah,
for your help.
it's not a problem. There's my Siggy. There's my girlfriend.
Yeah.
We got that from the neighbours as a gift. Oh.